3M Partners and Conseils is organizing the second edition of Oil Days to be held from June 5 to 8, 2024 in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Under the theme, The Impact of Production Sharing Contracts on National Economies, this event aims to facilitate networking and promote South-to-South cooperation between African players in the oil sector. With the main objective of promoting production sharing contracts, they are beneficial to the economy and the society as a whole. The Journée Pétrole aims to provide a framework for the exchange and sharing of best practices in the hydrocarbon sector. According to Gaïsen Emmanuel Moeli Mwanga, managing partner of 3M Partners and Conseils, the Journée Pétrole initiative is designed to help African governments negotiate oil contracts that are in their best interests. This year's event will focus on the impact of production sharing contracts on national economies, highlighting the potential benefits of this model for public finances, economic and social development, and regional planning. Two major challenges have been identified for the second edition. First, African countries need oil contracts that guarantee national interests and promote inclusive economic, social, and infrastructural development. On the other hand, it is crucial to improve the skills of the staff involved in managing these contracts in order to optimize revenues from oil production and maximize the positive spin-offs for the population. With almost 10% of the world's crude oil production, Africa has significant potential in the oil sector. However, much of this production is exported in the form of crude oil, while most of the continent's petroleum products are imported. Mastering production sharing contracts is therefore essential to enable African countries to optimize revenues from oil production and promote sustainable and equitable development.